Hi guys, since this is our last night here in Chiang Mai, we will be doing a walking tour here around Nimman. Let's go. Nimman, Bancraft. So, I think guys in almost every corner there's a money changer. Look, that one, the square, small squares, small cubicles. So they're closed already guys. So some stores like this guys is also famous in Thailand, crafts. So many buy that as a souvenir. So they have here aside from mangoes sticky rice, they also have durian sticky rice, diba? Amazing. But I don't feel like eating durian now. So the bars are, I think, are not yet open. Time check, it's 8:36. I think most of the bars will open by 9. So they are not yet open. Kame Cafe. And then Yangtze Chiang, Cantonese cuisine. Take your tea. So this part of the neighborhood is a bit not so crowded. So it depends on the time of the day guys and on the place. Sunwing Palace, Ban Wing Common. So there's an ATM here guys. Unfortunately that ATM charges 350 baht every withdrawal. So expensive. Wow, there's a restaurant there guys. Lana Cuisine. Lana is the name of the old kingdom here in Chiang Mai before it became part of Thailand. So they have northern Thai specialty. So it's on the high end pricing, so it's a bit pricey. And look at the car. So nice. And in Thailand guys, you can see a lot of Chinese couple, and many of them have kids with them. So that I think is another bar. Yeah, another bar. So this portion is so busy. This long stretch of the road is so busy guys. I've been here already. Durian. The durian is so expensive guys. Aside from durian, they sell street foods. Oh my gosh. Another handicraft. Guys, an airplane is passing by. So this portion is a bit busy. Data guys, kailangan mga afam ating makatapo. So di mo ganag afam na ay mga gege, schweiger, kanang mga afam na sila. I'm not sure if we could reach the end of this because I think it's a dead end guys. So Chiang Mai Thai massage. So I think this one is a complex. So Thai massage, foot massage, Alexa. So look at this guys. Come on Nimman. So it's a boutique I think. But you can go through there. So not so many people here, guys. So let's try to go through there. Yeah, let's try to go. Diba? Come on, man. So this is I think a specialty store, but unfortunately we will not be buying anything here. So if you are a fan of borloloys and dresses and all and handicrafts, this is heaven for you. So we have walked already 1.75 kilometers. Ooh, nice guys. Check this out. Very Instagrammable. Yeah. Very Instagrammable. So we are here on the other side of the road, guys. This is another side of the road. Look. I think they're part of one single, and look at this building, guys. Very nice. I happened to pass by here during my first night. It's a very good place to take pictures. So there are a lot of people here. So I think there's a band, but that place is like a place for you to eat. And would you look at that, guys? So many people. Ooh. So this is a very nice place. So it's like a street, but you are under a roof. Look. So opposite this, guys, is the wine market. Look at that. So there are a lot of people here. So there's even a second floor over there. So another shop over here. Body pizza. One market. So this is one market, guys. Jack Coconut. Tray return station. So they have tray return stations also, as usual. So the food here is affordable, guys. Look, it's mostly are below 100 baht. So this portion is the door or the street already, but it's a dead end actually there. So because most of the places there are hotels or hostels and others. Thai basil pork belly, dry noodles.